Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon. Ayan guys, oh, yung mga friend ko dito guys. Oh, kasi yung husband ko nandoon kasi sa ano guys, nag-golf. Ayan sila guys. Hi.
Hi, Ronald.
Welcome to Philippines. Kaya ganun. Hi guys. Yes, sir. Marite.
Pwede po yun, ha? Malabay.
Yeah, pwede na.
Malabay niya nito. Pwede? Pwede lagi.
Yan na lang kahit lang. Oh, makahanap ko. Ate, yung dito sa inyo, mapupunod. Ay,
O, dali na. Go na.
hi guys, nandito yung auntie namin. Ayan o, si Ate Kay. Hi, Ate Kay. Nakita kaya ka doon nung nag-inom ako, diba? Nag-inom ako na si Mike, nag-golf sila. Ang gaganda niya eh, hindi kayo magpakita dyan sa live. Tingnan mo si Ate Tess, ang sexy nila. O, tingnan mo. Oh. Hi! Ayan yung mga fans namin dito, guys. Ayan.
Angel Luxen.
Look, at saka si...
You're not a team.
Ay, tama! Ayaw nga ba? Hi guys! Good morning everyone!
Kaya na naman sila, guys.
Hello! Ano naman kami sa palengke guys. Tanghalian kami kasi kinuha pa namin yung baboy guys na kakatayin guys. Yung dalawang pili para bukas guys sa aming celebrate sa aking panganay na si Gia. Ay, Gia. Si Joanna. Yung pamangkin ko guys. Bukas yung i-celebrate niya yung graduation. Hi guys. Pauwi na kami guys. Ang traffic. Kanina pa kami. Traffic ngayon guys. Ayan guys, ayan na naman siya sa likod ng aking sister-in-law at saka brother. Nasa gitna siya guys. Lapit na tayo. Ayan guys, namili kami. Nasa likod pa guys. Saka sa taas guys, atip nilagay namin. Kawawa naman ni tatay. Uy, delikado ba? Kunti lang kasing space. Dahan-dahan man ha. Alala ko si Papa noon ba? Mag-bike. Silent ko. Malala ko si Papa. Oh, ganyan si Papa talaga. Galing sa construction bike. Sila Manoy. Dito. Ay, dito na talaga. Pwede man dito rin. Oh, diba? Hi, cheer! Yan. Ganda sa pure gold, guys. Yan. Magdataw ka ng kuwan. Ayun. Kaya mabigat man. Hindi, maliit na lang. Oo. Yan. You take that basket. You get basket. The green one. Lagay. Yan, dito tayo. You want some this? Potato, Gia? You want? Potato? This one? Uy. You want? What you like? May candy na ganito na binili niya sa Janice. Ano ba yun? Ano? Masarap te. Si daddy niya. Ang ate mag... Pinatulak kami si ate oh. Aray ka.
Haggard pa naman tayo.
Haggard. Ice cream? Gusto daw niya ice cream. Teka. Ito ice cream. Which you like? This one or that one over there? They have mango. You want this one? Mango. What's it? Coco mango. You want that? For chocolate? This one? That one? Tubig. Nandito sa ano, di ba? Nandito yung tubig din. Ano eh. Ang ganda guys dito. Oh. Nakakamiss yung ganito guys. Hi guys! Nakita-kita ang batikin!
Guys,
Hi!
kain po.
Oh guys, natil daw. Nagpare sila tigal. Gipanggutom guys. Kaya galing kami sa Africa.
Guys, kaya ang Alfonso guys, nagpaabot na sa inyo guys.
Uy, bakit siya uwi na lang ito mag-isa dito? Oh. Kaharap na ang kaliro. Wen, panigurog kaon. Sun, dito ka, Sun. Doon kayo kain. Oh, balang uy. Oh guys, hello guys. Tagay ko niya ha. Sa, baka lalanggamin yan dyan. Ilagay. Guys, ang sarap guys. Thank you to my family guys. Ito guys, ang dami ng ano namin doon guys sa isang bahay guys. Oh, wow. Oh, yung dakurun eh. Wala. Hi, Dex! Kain na. Nandito na si Jiloxin.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Getting in this beat, you tend to look like me. Anybody could be that guy.
Ayan, ang auntie ko at uncle. Thank you for coming, guys. Ayan. Ante namin yan! Nagbiyahe pa yan para papunta dito! Woo! May flower pa yun! Emsong talaga yan yun ako yan yun! Diyan nakakit si! Diyan nakakit si Kuya Junjun kaya Ate Bibian! Woo!
For us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow.
Sayang guys,
So guys, parang kinukuha kami ni Lord.
nadapa po ako kanina. Uy, kinamay.
Ano gagawin ko? Paanin? Ano to? Magtatanim tayo ng basa ang basa? Ngayon pa lang hindi natutubo to.
Malulunod lang yan.
Lunod na lunod. Ito, masamang damo din to. Ay, andyan mo siya. Ikaw pag talaga.
Tatanim ka na lang, demonyo ka pa rin.
Ano po to? Isang linggong pagkukay ng tubig. Bumabalik lang yata yung tubig eh. Bumabalik yung tubig.
Siyempre.
Please tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they.
Batekin Joanna P. Angeles City.
natin. Picture.
Lots of rice.
Plenty, ha? God, some warm rice here. I was born there in Pampanga.
So hot. Lucky I brought my fan in here. Lucky I brought fan in here.
May camera sila.
Lucky I brought fan in here. So hot.
Hindi po, kuya. Thank you.
Ganda.
Gosh, so beautiful.
Like, now this restart.
Oh, okay. Now it's time to get to work.
Yan, mami. Uy, picture yan, mami.
We all right.
Three of us, no? Ang laki. Kasing laki nila. Ay, papunta yan doon.
Hi, Gia. Ooh.
Hi, Gia. Wow, it's so beautiful. For Jesus.
It's for Joanna and Kyle. Love Joe.
Uh-oh.
That's how we tired.
Hello guys, nandito na kami guys sa aming apartment. Ayan guys, dito kami nag-rent guys ngayon. Ngayon lang guys, ito yung labas namin. Ayan. Ito yung loob namin guys. O diba cute guys? So cute ha? Like my apartment in the Imus Cavite. Almost this. Wait, I going there upstairs. Hello oh guys, so ito yung taas namin.
Guys, this is my favorite couch. We have a mirror that doesn't work. And we have our couch. This is my favorite. I always wanted it. Guys, here's the bathroom. It's the same thing downstairs. It's just upstairs here in their kitchen. And there's soap you put or this.
Namusok.
That's why we got soap.
Guys. This one first.
Guys, look. This is our bedroom.
Ay, who is this?
My dad is gonna sleep here.
Oh,
My
wow.
dad is gonna sleep on the
She's
floor.
tour guide.
Yeah, she's
She's
doing the tour guide.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute this house.
We're not finished yet.
Ang kala.
Not finished yet. Yeah, more tour guiding to do.
This is mommy's bed. This is daddy's bed, and this is my bed.
Oh
I
my
like
God.
downstairs.
Oh, wow. Very pretty, ha?
And this is
Where's Ate Joanna and Kyle?
downstairs.
Downstairs.
And this is the here.
Oh, wow. It's so cute. Ate Joanna and Kyle there? Oh, very nice, ha? Cute. Guys, I like the salas.